Today we're going to unbox and review the Vesken Trolley. Is it worth it? Before I get started, I ask that you take time to read our disclaimer. And while you're reading, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already, as it'll really help this channel tremendously. And with that being said, let's get started on the video. This is the white Vesken Trolley designed by David Wall. As of today, it currently retails for $13 at Ikea. This trolley is great in small or tight places, such as beside your fridge or beside your toilets. The measurements for this trolley are 54 cm in width, 18 cm in depth, and 71 cm in height. Inside this product, it includes 4 wheels, 3 bases, and 8 legs. To assemble, connect the 4 wheels at the bottom of the frame. Attach the 4 long heads on the side and add the middle frame. Attach the 4 next long heads and finally add the top to finish it off. I think this product is 100% worth it. It's designed well, great for small places, relatively cheap, and very easy to assemble. What's not to like? Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you bought this item and what are your thoughts on it.